It's another weekend and welcome back to another recipe video here on my cooking channel, guys. And if you are from Quezon province or from Marikina City, you are probably familiar with this dish that we are making today. In Quezon, they call it Hardinera, and if you're from Marikina, you call it Everlasting. Malapit na ang holiday season, guys. It's just around the corner. So I want to share with you how I make my version of the Hardinera or Everlasting. We're really gonna make this easy because when making Hardinera and Everlasting, sobrang dami pong proseso niyan, pero gagawin natin itong napakadali sa recipe video na ito. And just to also add, we're gonna make this low carb friendly or keto friendly. So dun sa mga nasa ketogenic diet or low carb diet, pwedeng pwede po ito sa inyo. We will be using 4 eggs for this recipe, 2 of which gagawin po natin siyang hard-boiled eggs, and the other 2 will be used as a binder for our Hardinera or Everlasting mixture. So, ika-crack po natin yung 2 remaining eggs. Babatiin po natin and lalagyan po natin siya ng almond flour. This is 1/3 cup of almond flour. Now, for the ketogenic diet, almond flour po ang ginamit ko, but on the regular diet, you can use breadcrumbs. Now, we will be needing 500 grams of pork and 2 pieces of cheesy franks, or hotdog po ito na hindi po siya makulay. I am putting in 3 cloves of garlic mince and 1 medium-sized white onion finely minced. Now we're gonna add 1 medium-sized carrot, which is grated para hindi na po tayo mahirapan magtadtad, and pickle relish. Now, I'm using the ordinary store-bought pickle relish, but what I do to lessen down the sugar of this, hinugasan ko po yung pickle relish hanggang sa matanggal po yung juices niya. Now, I'm adding the green bell peppers. This is about 2 tablespoons, and also the red bell peppers, which is also 2 tablespoons. Now, for my version of this Hardinera or Everlasting recipe, I am using freshly chopped tomatoes na tinanggalan ko po ng buto instead of tomato paste or tomato sauce dahil napakataas po ng sugar content or carbohydrate content ng tomato paste or tomato sauce. Now, we will be seasoning this with sea salt, and I have used about 2 to 3 teaspoons of sea salt for this 500 grams of pork recipe ng Hardinera or Everlasting, and of course, ground black pepper to taste. Now again, season according to your taste, guys. Depende na po yan sa inyong panlasa. Now, optional ingredient, we have 1 tablespoon of raisins. For those who are on strict keto, you can take this out. But for those who are doing dirty or lazy keto, you can add up to a maximum of 1 tablespoon of raisins. Now, I added the egg mixture with the almond flour, and I'm gonna bind and mix all of the ingredients together. Now, when I'm adding the cheese, I'm using my hands this time. Mas gusto ko pong ginagamit yung kamay ko para po talagang namamash and nababind ko yung cheese and the pork mixture together instead of a spatula. For me talaga, hands ang pinaka magandang tool when it comes to cooking. So all you need to do is make sure that all of the ingredients are well emulsified. So meaning dikit-dikit na talaga lahat ng ingredients natin. Now to assemble our hardinera, we're gonna need a llanera. Okay, so we're gonna put olive oil to our llanera and brush the bottom and the sides of the pan with olive oil. Now, yung ating hinard-boiled egg, so 2 llanera po ang gagamitin natin for this recipe, but you can actually do more. So, ganito po, inaayos ko po yung bottom ng ating llanera with the cheesy franks, bell peppers, and the hard-boiled egg. And then, we're gonna add also a little bit more cheese. Now, we're gonna add our pork mixture. Sisidsirin po natin ito para po talagang buong-buo yung ating hardinera or everlasting when it comes out of the llanera. Now, we're gonna cover this with foil and we're gonna steam it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay? So, para po talagang lutong-luto siya kasi ang hardinera or everlasting talaga pong ginigisa yan bago siya ilagay sa llanera. Pero since mas gusto po nating madali ang lutuin, i-mix na lang po natin diretso steam na. So, this is it guys. This is the hardinera or everlasting recipe version here on my cooking channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video to your family and friends. And if you're not yet subscribed to my cooking channel, please do so at Yan-E. And para po sa mga gustong makakuha ng notifications on new videos and recipes, itap nyo na po yung bell dito sa bandang kanan ninyo. Thanks again for watching guys. See you again on another recipe. Bye now!